So on Monday night we also have salmon. So here's our salmon. It's Norwegian salmon fillet, farm raised fresh. This particular piece is 0.25 and it has the skin cut off the back. I also have a piece of tinfoil because I'm going to put this out on the grill, so I just put it on a tinfoil. Some lime juice, and then we have this, I think it's called potlatch seasoning. I got it at Williams and Sonoma. It was a gift for my husband for Christmas, so it's something a little different for a salmon. And this is a salmon and seafood spice rub. So I'm going to put that together and then we'll put it out on the grill. So I've taken the salmon out of its package. Again, it's about 0.25 pounds of salmon, and the skin's been cut off the back. What I do is I just drizzle a little bit of lime juice on there, and then I sprinkle some of the rub on top of it. So just a little bit, and then it's ready to go on the grill. Once it's on the grill, I turn it over after about 5 minutes, and then for another 5 minutes, and then I'll let my husband check it to make sure it's done the way he likes it done. So it just depends on how thick the piece of salmon is as to how long it needs to stay on there. So after 40 minutes, this is what it looks like. You have salmon and the potatoes. The salmon cooked for about 20 minutes.